There's still a large amount of people who are writing their own wills, and today I'd like to highlight some of the problems that you can face by doing this. Many websites, articles and even friends will tell you to write your own will because it's easy and your situation is straightforward. Yes, it is easy if you know what you're doing, but do they tell you if you have assets abroad, you've got a business or you're leaving somebody out, that you should be seeking legal advice? Probably not. Writing your own will is not straightforward, as there are so many key points that could be forgotten, such as choosing the wrong witnesses, listing too many assets and overlooking what's called the residue clause. Maybe you don't understand the law behind wills and you haven't used the correct terminology or language. All of these will certainly impact the outcome of your will and could mean your estate doesn't go to the people you actually want it to go to. Importantly, writing your own will also means you aren't getting the advice you need, as a simple will isn't right for everyone, and that's why we hear of stories of families in conflict and probate matters taking so many years to complete, with money being spent on legal matters instead of actually going to the families. If you get your will wrong, and your will could be deemed invalid, and the law will then decide who gets what, and your assets could go to the people you don't want to inherit. If you want to absolutely be sure that your wishes are met after you die, Penguin Legal can give you the support and advice you need, and we can actually prepare your will for as little as £147. Give us a call on 02920 450 143 or visit our website on www.penguinlegal.co.uk.